14 and not to buy a good for nothing 20-year-old guy with no job. He's gonna get locked up, leaving her raise the kids all alone. No, life isn't over, but it just got a lot harder for such a young flower to not quickly with her. How will things get any better when her own mother and father say abortion is the answer? When did kids stop being kids? When did they start seeing things that made them lose their innocence? When did they stop being in places they shouldn't be, doing things they shouldn't do? You should be singing with me. Drug mule, he knows this game is deadly, but it's his only tool. Against the street corner debt collector, he's young, but he's his family's only protector. His mom is working 3 jobs, so can't make ends meet. She's stressed out, gets high 7 days a week. He's trapped, surrounded, lonely in this tunnel with no end in sight, wondering when he'll see the light. When did kids stop being kids? When did they start seeing things that made them lose their innocence? When did they stop being in places they shouldn't be, doing things they shouldn't do? You should be singing with me. You should be singing with me. Listen, children are the hope of this nation, and we may be their only salvation. Books should be their education instead of them being taught by the television. Children who are red assassin creeds become creatures of instinct, fighting on the street, grand auto thieves. Their lives lived in secret till they wash up dead on Jersey Shore, never knowing they were worth much more. When did kids stop being kids? When did they start seeing things?
I gotta go here when everybody's silent, okay?
They shouldn't be doing things they shouldn't do. They should be singing with